Welcome back to AK Education System. In today's lesson, we are learning a very important grammar topic. There is and there are. Many students feel confused about these two structures. When do we use there is? And when do we use there are? Today, I will explain everything in a very simple way. After this lesson, you will never confuse again. So stay with me till the end. First, understand the basic meaning we use there is and there are to talk about something that exists. We use it to say that something is present somewhere. For example, there is a book on the table. This means a book exists on the table. Another example, there are two chairs in the room. This means two chairs exist in the room. Very simple. Use of there is. We use there is for singular nouns. Singular means one. Example, there is a cat in the garden. There is a pen on the desk. There is a car outside. There is a teacher in the classroom. Notice something. After there is, we use a singular noun. A cat, a pen, a car, a teacher. Only one thing. Remember, there is equals one thing. Use of there are, we use there are for plural nouns. Plural means more than one. Example, there are two students in the class. There are many books on the table. There are 3 apples in the basket. There are 5 cars outside. Notice again. After there are, we use plural nouns. Students, books, apples, cars. More than one. Remember, there are equals more than one thing. Very important difference. Listen carefully. There is a mobile on the bed. Only one mobile. There are 3 mobiles on the bed. More than one. One thing. Use there is. More than one. Use there are. Simple rule. Negative sentences. Now let's learn negative form. There is becomes. There is not. Or short form. There isn't. Example, there is not any milk in the fridge. There isn't a pen on the table. Now, plural. There are becomes. There are not. Or short form. There aren't. Example, there are not any students in the class. There aren't any apples in the basket. Very easy. Questions form now how to ask questions. For singular, is there a hospital near here? Is there a bank in this area? For plural, are there any shops nearby? Are there 2 bathrooms in the house? Notice the change. There is becomes is there. There are becomes are there. Very important for speaking. Common mistakes. Beginners make mistake number 1. Wrong. There is 2 books on the table. Correct. There are 2 books on the table. Because books is plural. Mistake number 2. Wrong. There are a cat in the room. Correct. There is a cat in the room. Because cat is singular. Mistake number 3. Forgetting a with singular noun. Wrong. There is pen on the desk. Correct. There is a pen on the desk. Always use a or an with singular countable noun. Small story practice now. Listen to a short story. There is a small house near the park. There are 2 trees in front of the house. There is a dog in the garden. There are 3 chairs on the porch, inside the house. There is a sofa in the living room. There are many pictures on the wall. There is a kitchen at the back. There are some plates on the table. See how we use both forms naturally. This is how English is spoken in real life. Quick practice time, fill in the blanks. A book on the table. Correct answer. There is a book on the table. 3 students in the class. Correct answer. There are 3 students in the class. A problem here. Correct answer. There is a problem here. Many shops in this market. Correct answer. There are many shops in this market. Excellent. Let's revise everything quickly. There is for one thing. There are for more than one thing. Negative form. There isn't. There aren't. Question form. Is there? Are there? Simple, clear, easy. Practice daily. Make your own sentences. Look around your room and describe it. For example, there is a fan in my room. There are 2 windows in my room. This will improve your fluency fast. That's all for today's lesson. If this video helped you, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to AK Education System. We will meet again in the next English grammar lesson. Keep learning, keep improving. Allah Hafiz.